friends, so today we are going to learn Armstrong numbers. So what is Armstrong number? Armstrong number is a number that is equal to the sum of cubes of its digits. What it means? Sum of cube of its digits. Like 153 is an also Armstrong number, and if we will do cube of each digit, like 1 cube of 1 plus cube of 5 plus cube of 3, then its sum will be 153, means that is itself, that is called Armstrong number. Let's start coding. So how to implement Armstrong numbers in programming? I will code in Python and also Java. Let's start. First we will start in Java. Scanner class object is required to import for the user input, and class name will be Armstrong number. For the user input, we will take a variable number. We will apply here ternary operator, that is Armstrong. We will call here a method named is Armstrong, and we will pass number as argument. If this method will return true, then we will print here, that is yes, number is Armstrong. Else we will print here no. Not a Armstrong. Let's provide implementation for the as Armstrong method. This method will return a boolean value. We have to provide an copy of this number. so that when we will calculate it, so is it a Armstrong number, so the main number should not be vary. The whatever operation will be done, it should be in its it's on its copy value, but not in original value. That will take temp variable, and we will copy the number. Let me code completely, then I will explain whole thing what's going on. Okay, let me explain. First, we took an copy of a number into temp variable. After cube of each digits, we will add into we will do sum into a new variable that will be in a new number. So what's going on in this value? That is, first we will take an digit from the number from the at the end side. Let's see how. 153. What's going on? In at first I will remove the last digit. I will took the last digit, means temp modulo 10. It means I will get from here, that is digit 3. First time I will get 3. Then we will adding each digit of the cube of each digit in the new number. That will be calculated, and we will then compare at the end. So here method pow is a function which will return the cube of this digit for each digit of the number. Because it is a floating point value will be returned, so I have typed here. And after that, for the second step, I completely removed this digit from the end of the number. So I did temp divided by 10. Next time I have only, this time I took an last element, that is 5. Then again I did power of the 5, power of the cube of the 5. So in the last new number we will add the cube of the 5, then new number will be changed. And next step we are removing this 5, and the third step we are doing the same. We are doing cube of the one element, then adding it to the new number at the end. Finally we have addition of each digit of the cube of the each digit of this number, and we will compare new number is equal to number. If both are same, then it will return a true. If it is this function will return a true. If it is true, then yes, number is Armstrong. If it is false, it means no, number is not Armstrong. That is a simple program. Let's try to compile and run. So this is my folder where Armstrong number is there. So I will open our terminal here. Let's compile. .java. Okay, there is no error, so let's run. Now we have to take an number. Let's we take 153. So see, result is yes, means it is an Armstrong number. Let's see another input. 1 2 3. No. If we will add its cube of 1, that is 1, cube of 2, that is 8, and cube of 3, that is 27. So sum of cube of each elements will be 36. So this is not an Armstrong number. So our program will run perfectly. Let's try to code in also in Python. Armstrong number we will code in Python also. Let's say start. Program name we will give, that is Armstrong. Number .py. I will code the input, taking input and showing output in the same line. I will rewrite the code and I will explain it, how does it work. It is quite simple and short code in Python. This single line of statement is taking input for the calculating Armstrong number, and also it is giving us an output, that is if it is Armstrong then it will show the yes Armstrong, if it is not then it will showing the no, not is Armstrong. First we have taken an is Armstrong, that is an function, and inside this function I have taken an int argument, because input is a function to take an input, but it will always comes in string form, so that's why I have typecast in int, that will be assigned inside this function, that is in Armstrong. If this function will return true, then it will show yes, this is Armstrong number. If it is this fail, means this method will return false, then this statement will show no, it is not an Armstrong number. Let's define this function. Same as Java code, we need a copy of this number, so for that we will take its copy in the temp variable. For the digit we need an digit. digit variable. And for the new number we need new num. Same, we will apply an while loop, that is this while loop will work until temp is not equals to 0. We will abstract the digit from the number from temp variable. It has one copy of the number, so modulo 10, and then new number will be new number plus in Python. Same as Java, it has a power function, but we will use here another method like that, another way to calculate its cube, that is double multiple symbol. It will consider the cube of digit, and we will remove last digit from the number. So I have taken here 2 times oblique. It means if we will apply first oblique, it means it will remove the last element, but it will return after removing last element. That will be the value will be float, but I want the int value. For that I need double oblique. At the end we will check if new number is equals to the original number, and it will return true, if else it will return false. Now code looks good. Let's try to compile and run. Okay, there is no error. So a number to be checked, that will be 153. Okay, so it is showing that yes, it's an Armstrong. Perfect. Let's try another number that is not an Armstrong. If it is returning the correct answer, then it is program is good. Let's try for 1 2 3. Okay, it's fine. It is returning no, not a Armstrong number. Sounds good. So the friends, if you like this video, please like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to code for an your choice of the question, then let me know. Write your question in the comment, then I will find out, then I will solve it in the coding form. If you want in Java, that's fine. If you want the code in Python, that's fine. I will code for you, and I will try to explain you briefly. Thank you.